So DetailXPerts handles our cleanup for new and used vehicles, as well as sold washes, and then we have a special product they apply for appearance protection. DetailXPerts and I have been working together for about 2 years now. DetailXPerts is good to work with, proficient at their jobs, and the pricing is very affordable as well. We got them set up, DetailXPerts, with 2 different bays. One's for refreshes on our higher end cars, and then the other's for full details. Keeps them out of the weather, keeps them kind of a little bit more comfortable since it can get hot, cold, rainy here. Keeps them protected so that way they're working in somewhat decent conditions. DetailXPerts does a great job. I let them handle all 3 of my personal vehicles. They handle every vehicle we have, comes through here for new sales, used sales, and then of course all of our service department as well.